Pronoun. Pro is a prefix which means in favor of or supporting. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. The word pronoun simply means for a noun or place of a noun, which means it is equivalent to a noun and must be of the same numbers, genders and person as the noun stand for. Example: Ram is 8 years old and he studies in 3rd class. Here, Ram is noun and he is pronoun. Classification of pronoun. First, personal pronoun. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का अर्थ है रिलेटिंग टू पर्सन. आई, वी, यू, ही, सी, इट और दे को पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहा जाता है. बी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन. ईच, आइदर, नाइदर आदि. सी, रेसिप्रोकल प्रोनाउन. ईच, अदर, वन अनदर आदि. डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, सच आदि. Reflexive pronouns and emphasizing pronoun. Myself, yourself, herself, my own, her own आदि. Relative pronoun. Who, which, that, what आदि. Interrogative pronoun. Who, which, what आदि. Exclamatory pronoun. What, how आदि. Indefinite pronoun. One, any, some, none, all, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, anybody, anyone, everyone आदि. Impersonal pronoun. It. Compound pronoun. Whoever, whosever, whatever आदि. Possessive pronoun. Mine, our, yours, his आदि. Person. First person. I, my, me, we, our, ours, us. Second person. You, yours, yours. Third person. He, his, him, she, her, hers, it, its, they, theirs, them. Possessive pronouns. here, ours, yours, its, theirs आदि को कभी भी एपोस्ट्रॉफी के साथ नहीं लिखना चाहिए. इट्स का प्रयोग में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए. नोट: पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के रूप केस वाइज बदलते हैं. नॉमिनेटिव केस, पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव, पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन, ऑब्जेक्टिव, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. ही, हिज, हिज, हिम, हिमसेल्फ. सी, हर, हर्ष, हर, हरसेल्फ. इट, इट्स, इट, इटसेल्फ. आई, माय, माइन, मी, माइसेल्फ. वी, आवर, आवर्स, अस, आवरसेल्फ्स. यू, योर, योर्स, यू, योरसेल्फ, योरसेल्फ्स. पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन. पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव प्लस नाउन. माइन, माय प्लस नाउन. योर्स, योर प्लस नाउन. हर्ष, हर प्लस नाउन. आवर्स, आवर प्लस नाउन. देयर्स, देयर प्लस नाउन. हिज, हिज प्लस नाउन. Do not use possessive pronoun before noun, but we can use possessive adjective before noun. यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जाम्पल दिए गए हैं, उनको देख के आप समझ सकते हैं. रूल्स रिलेटेड टू प्रोनाउन. रूल 1. भर्व से पहले नॉमिनेटिव केस आता है, वह भर्व के बाद ऑब्जेक्टिव केस आता है. एग्जाम्पल: आई टीच हिम. एक्टिव वॉइस. यहाँ पे टीच में आई सब्जेक्ट है और हिम ऑब्जेक्ट. ही इज टफ बाय मी. पैसिव वॉइस. सब्जेक्ट ही एंड ऑब्जेक्ट मी. रूल 2. इफ ऑल द प्रोनाउंस और 2 out of 3 persons come in a single sentence, then order is 2, 3, 1. Example: you, he and I shall study for the exam. 2, 3, 1. मतलब यहाँ पे पहले क्या आ जाएगा? you, फिर he, फिर I. इसके हिसाब से है he and I have finished our work. You and he have done a great job. Rule 3. If all the 3 persons or 2 out of 3 persons come in a single sentence and something's wrong is talked about or some mistake done by the person has been accepted, the order is 1, 2, 3. Rule 4. If pronouns are in plural form, the order should be 1, 2, 3. Example: we, you and they should not get down to work 1, 2, 3 means we, you and they. Rule 5. Let, like, between and but except preposition plus objective case. इस सब के साथ ऑब्जेक्टिव केस लगता है. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, लेट मी डू दिस वर्क. सेकेंड, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम बिटवीन सी एंड आई. दिस इज wrong. There is no problem between her and me. This is right. Rule 6. If there is a comparison between two nominative cases, the pronoun of the nominative case is used after as then. Example: he is as fast as me. This is wrong. He is as fast as I. Second, I run faster than him. This is wrong. I run faster than he. This is right. I know you as much as him. Note, the subject is compared with subject and object is compared with object. Use of it. If a sentence starts with it followed by any forms of be, the pronoun that follows be must be in nominative case. Example: it is I who am to blame. I nominative case. It is you who have done this. You nominative case. Second, it is used for non-living things, animals, infants and insect. They is the plural form of it.